not sure if you can see cold from a photo, or video rather, but this is about 20 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the summer tire, or excuse me, the winter tires and wheel setup, which is right there. I actually got the official Porsche ones, which is pretty awesome. Right now standing inside the garage just because it's super cold and windy. So I'm always a huge fan of the right tool for the job, and I actually ended up go ahead and grabbing a set of these, never gonna be able to pronounce it, Schwaben maybe? Actually protective sockets, lined so that they can't mar your wheels. So I think they were like 70 bucks, kind of insane, German, you know. If in a pinch you can't go this route, don't want to, whatever, you can actually wrap some painter's tape around a traditional impact socket or even a chrome socket. Security bit. If you change over tires, buy a 1/2 inch impact. DeWalt, Milwaukee, doesn't matter who you use, but this thing's on low speed and it's taking them off like super simple. So definitely get one of these and go ahead and get one of these wrapped sockets. All right, well, there's the wheels and tires. They gotta be cleaned up, but those aren't scratches. That's actually just debris and whatnot. I'll clean them up, but they're winter wheels. They don't have to be special. So, got the Valvetronic exhaust. That video is going to be coming soon. You heard the cold start at the beginning. It's loud. I love it. Go ahead and grab the torque wrench. Figure out what the torque spec is for this because it's the first time I've done this on this car. I remember what it was for the 981 GT4, but I don't know if it's the same for this. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we should be good to go for a drive, which I'm super excited because it's been about a month since I've driven this. So one thing I noticed when I was just setting up the torque wrench, the security key does not have padding, so that's actually kind of interesting. Regardless, I'm gonna hit up Suncoast and get a non-keyed one because this is a pain in the ass. All right, tires and wheels on. Let's go take this thing for a drive, and actually gonna show you that the advantage to using sensors from Porsche directly is no TPMS sensor issues. So yeah, sweetness.
Turn left on Runner Road.